Okay, what's a vlog?
Hey. Girl, anything else to share? Oh, today is like 34 degrees?
Yeah, but it's supposed to feel like around 38 or something like that.
I say 40. Anyways, we're dying. And Shelby Lock over there is
Having a date. Let's see. Oh shit, is he getting wrong people? No. But that is Shelby and to be announced boy.
Yeah, but he was an hour late, so we don't vibe with him.
Yeah.
He
He was late an hour and he didn't even respond.
didn't even say like he was gonna be late. And then when he came, he was like, "Oh, sorry, I didn't think it'll take that long." Like, what a bitch.
Yeah, not a vibe.
Why does this arm look so skinny even though it's so fat?
It does look skinny.
And then like
It
I'm
looks
swole
like a
though.
chicken thigh.
I'm looking swole.
Dude, that looks like a chicken thigh.
Shut up.
That's so funny. Putting sunscreen
Look
on.
at this SPF 110.
That's crazy. I've never seen a 110 SPF. But we've been sunscreening.
But I'm
every
already
hour.
red. I'm burnt already. So.
Okay, we came to the beach at 3 and we were sunscreening for at least 20
Why is
minutes.
my stomach red? Is it alcohol? Don't fill my stomach. I had dim sum today.
But she hot though.
I literally ate so much. I feel bloated.
It's okay, she's so hot. But she's getting spots. And I don't know, I'm rubbing in the sunscreen for her and she's still getting spots. So
Maybe it's skin cancer.
comment down below what you think it is.
It's literally gonna be Grace's watch.
Grace, please answer my question. Thank you. Okay, Katie just arrived with some McDonald's.
Hey, yay! What a homie.
So we got BTS meals and Kanna wants to show you
And
her sauce
packaging.
opening.
Oh!
Which flavor, Kanna?
This is the sweet chili sauce. Let's
Yeah.
see.
Yeah, taste test.
Delicious.
Yeah, I like that one too. Okay, wait. I just opened the Cajun sauce. Let's see.
Katie actually loves you.
Thanks, I love you too.
You saved us. We're gonna die in a few.
You guys are gonna eat food?
I don't know if it's too hot to like move anything.
It's for Glorious Grandmas. Do you guys remember?
Oh shoot, I forgot
Yeah.
about that. Where are you two?
Wait, aren't you in it?
No, you're in it.
Yeah, you're in it. We're all on.
I think everyone in McLovin is Glorious Grandmas.
It's almost sunset. You mean Victoria?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Emoji, boat emoji.
Oh yeah. Wait, isn't that the same thing? Oh, okay.
The name was changed.
Watching the sunset.
AI in real life.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, I know that.
Chile. Cut the camera.
Hey guys, it's Katie. I'm glowing. Wait. Shelby is changing. And it's 8:50. I feel really burnt right now, by the way. My feet are really... Actually, no, don't look at my feet. Super glowy. Alright, she's still changing. Let me show you the sun.
I actually started.
Wow. That is... What? An OnlyFans? Oh, anyways. So...
I didn't make any money.
Anyways, I don't know what else to talk about.
Look at that golden hour. Look at her. She's so pretty. Look at Kanna Yags. Oh wait, I think I'm blocking the sun because she's just abnormal. Katie's glowing.
Shelby is done changing. Cute little shorts. Alright. Perfect. Beautiful.
Wait, they just finished clapping.
Why?
They just finished clapping, but they clapped because the sun went behind the mountain.